Most Acer laptops feature function keys that also double as media keys. If your laptop's touchpad suddenly stops working, you may have accidentally disabled it using the Touchpad Media Key. On Windows, you can choose whether the function keys F1 through F12 behave as traditional function keys or media keys. Depending on your chosen setting, you'll need to hold down the Fn key to use the alternate function. To change this setting, enter the BIOS setup. You can do so by restarting your computer, then once you see the startup logo, press and hold down the F2 key. Using the right arrow key on your keyboard, navigate to the main tab. Locate function key behavior. On your keyboard, press the down arrow until it is highlighted, then press enter to select it. Here you can choose whether the function keys act as media keys or as the F1 through F12 keys. If you choose media, you'll need to hold down the Fn key to activate F1 through F12. If you select function, you'll need to hold down the Fn key to activate the media keys like pause, play, and disable touchpad. Since we want to avoid accidentally disabling our touchpad with the press of one button, we'll set our function keys to function mode. Now, if we want to disable our touchpad, we'll have to hold the Fn key while selecting the touchpad media button.